Thank you for purchasing the Compound Interest Calculator. This is a pretty straightforward user entry based compound interest calculator, but it has some additional automations that may help you visualize your compound effect over time. So simply to operate the sheets, on the top portion here in the user inputs, we're going to enter our principal sum. If you are starting from zero, this would be zero. If you're starting with some set amount of money, maybe $20,000, you would enter that here. Enter in your annual interest rate. So for this example, I'm going to choose 8%. Then you're given a number of compound frequencies that you can select. You can either choose daily, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. I'm going to select monthly. You can choose whether you want to make a monthly contribution. So if you're just starting with your initial principal, and you want to see how that changes over time, you could leave this as zero. But if you do want to put some monthly contributions, maybe to the effect of $500, you could add that in. And as you're doing this, you can see that the ending balance is changing over time. It's compounding, and we can see our contributions in the orange here kind of just consistent over time. And then we can select the number of years. So for this example, I'm going to select 20 years. So when I select this, we can see that our amortization table on the left side here ends at 20 years. We have our graph showing our contributions over time. And then we've got some additional insight into what impact we could have on our compounding effect if we were to change the interest rate by lowering it a percent, increasing it a percent. Here's a visualization of that in a graph. Additionally, if we were to look at our contribution amount per month and we were to reduce it by 50% and increase it by 50%, what impact that would have over time. So if you have any questions, feel free to message on Etsy or send an email to theorganizedgrid@etsy@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a good day.